A passenger river ferry has capsized in central Bangladesh. There were around 300 people on board. The captain reportedly jumped overboard when the ferry went out of control, according to one survivor. Rescuers and local people have recovered at least 2 bodies from the water. At least 44 passengers have been rescued. The MV Pinak was crossing the river Padma near the Bangladeshi capital Dhaka when it capsized. Bangladesh is a low-lying country with an extensive river network, but slack safety standards have led to an appalling record of ferry accidents. Casualties sometimes run into the hundreds.
ভাই এক বোন একসাথে ছিলাম, আমার খালা, আমরা 5 জন একসাথে ছিলাম। আমি লাভদা নামছি, আর দোষী ভাই ছুটে গেছে গা, ওইটা দিয়ে বাইশা নাই, পরে সিপরে যাই আনছি আর দেখি না।